Okay guys, so alam nyo ba yung mouse nyo na parating nasisira yung scroll? Pag scroll up nyo, mag-scroll down konti or mag-scroll down kayo, mag-scroll up siya. Hindi nyo alam kasi hindi defective yung yung encoder nyo. Tawag dito is encoder. Nangyari is may mga dust siya accumulated or carbon dust. Kasi habang tumatagal, mas nagiging dusty, may friction yan sa loob kasi may konting resistance. Nag-accumulate, tapos pagsan niya ng signal sa integrated circuit or computer niya in itself, mali-mali ang kanyang signal na send. So, there are two solutions. One is actually three. First solution na pinaka non-invasive is use a contact cleaner. Spray nyo dito kung may contact cleaner kayo, pero medyo mahal siya. Tag 300 to 400 per bottle, so malaki lang available. Next solution is to attach a capacitor in parallel dito sa signal na nilalabas niya to the ground. Yan ang permanent solution. And last is also expensive, replace the encoder. Pero ayoko i-replace the encoder kasi nasisira lang over time. So let's try the contact cleaner muna, baka mag-work. Okay, so right now magamit ko is yung contact cleaner. Brand niya is ayan, Hardex, pero hindi siya sponsor dito, no. So gawin ko, spray ko lang sa encoder, okay? Malit lang, okay? Like gito lang. Yun lang, tapos turn nyo. Turn nyo. Medyo lalamig lang yung konti dyan. Pati niya yung mga carbon dust. Turn lang. Then you're good. So right now, naspayan ko na, nabalik ko na yung mouse na kanyang original case. Let's see the scroll action. Okay, up. Down, mabilis. Up, mabilis. Okay, it's working. Oh yan, working very good. So yun lang po, ang pinaka non-invasive method is contact cleaner. Pag gusto nyo na mas maganda pa, capacitor. Yun lang. Huwag nyo na i-replace yung encoder. Sayang-sayang lang kayo ng pera. Bye.